right outside the Central Library here in St. Louis, Missouri. That is neat. This is what it looks like whenever Daddy reads a book. All the knowledge in my head comes spewing out. This is called butterflies.
This is the best smile I can do.
It's the best smile you can do. Look at that.
That's cool.
Those are so cool.
Well, I didn't even see that. There's some little people.
Those are neat, I like those.
What's this guy? What's this? An Ella lizard? An Ella lizard?
What are we going to do?
What are we going to do?
TapeScape. Ooh, look at the mosaics up there.
I'm right letting this keep going.
We're following the TapeScape. Whoa, wow.
That's beautiful. Follow the TapeScape.
They're everywhere.
What is it?
TapeScape. Let's go play.
Tape like you've never seen it before.
Okay, let's go play. It says no shoes, yes socks.
So this whole thing is constructed of packing tape. And they've created these really cool tunnels. And they're actually really translucent, and some of the colors actually come through, huh? A lot of man hours went into making this. So if you ever find yourself with thousands of rolls of packing tape and you just don't know what to do with them, here's an idea. Wow, you can see there's some holes in there.
Feel it, Daddy. Doesn't even feel like tape.
Doesn't, does it?
That's because it's a lot of layers.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
So it's literally just tape. You can hear it.
There's a lot of layers of tape. I mean, look how many layers they put.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to flip on this tape.
That's cool. We can look in the hole.
I'll be on the other side there, okay? Follow me. Take it to the other side.
We'll see if we can see Abby on the other side. Hello in there.
She ain't gonna be able to reach that one's high. She's gonna come down here.
Okay.
Hi.
What do you think of TapeScape?
Cool.
Pretty neat.
Uh-huh. Daddy, look at me. Daddy, look at me.
Daddy didn't take his shoes off. He can't come up here.
Oh.
So you could probably make a bed out of this too, I bet.
She's gonna test it out for bed material.
So is it comfy in there?
Yes. Spin, spin, spin.
Here's the TapeScape rules to keep everybody safe. They have a little video of how they constructed it here, which is pretty neat. TapeScape was originally developed at the Children's Museum of Southern Minnesota's Play Lab. It's amazing what you can do with the most awkward of materials packing tape. As you can see, wow, it's literally just made out of lots and lots of packing tape. There's another little tunnel that goes through there. Kind of looks like a portal. All of this turns into the finished product, TapeScape 2020. What kind of fun stuff can you guys make with tape? Let us know in the comments below.
Here's the smaller tunnel, just tiny.
This took over 120 rolls of packing tape to create. At least it's sticky side out and not in. Or we would be like flies on flypaper.
It feels like plastic, but not tape. Let's do the other side again.
And go.
Mama, you do as fast as you can. I'll pull you.
Oh, you're gonna pull me. You're gonna pull me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, I think I can. I think I can. Oh, I can.
Come on. That's not crawling. That's sliding.
I'm being an inchworm.
Yeah, you are. Down.
So it teaches about science, technology, engineering, art, and math all in one. Who would have known playing with tape encompasses all of those things? That is so neat.
My knees keep on slipping.
Okay, try it.
I'm trying not to. This is too slippery. Bye guys, don't forget to... I can't do it. I can't do it.
Just say bye.
Bye guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.